So, as promised, here is the finished article. Now, it doesn't actually look too bad. The colour matches quite well. I think I need to put some more lacquer on. It's quite damp at the moment, but when it's dry, it's quite dull still. So I need a couple more coats of lacquer and some polish. But I'm quite pleased with the result, considering it was smashed. But I'm not pleased with my result on the wing. I tried to touch the wing up and look at the state of that. It looks like my kid did it. I just can't get it to blend very well. I tried with an airbrush, but an airbrush seems to dry before it hits the panel. So yeah, that's a bit of a disaster. It started off as a tiny spot and it's getting bigger and bigger every time I spray it. But I don't really want to spray the whole wing because it might not match. The bumper isn't too bad at all. I ended up sticking the number plate on the top over the shitty bit because the shitty bit was still there. But it's definitely not the worst. This side could have been better. The colour hasn't gone on too good and there's still a crack in it, so I might do a bit more work, and I'm missing the trims off the bottom. But apart from that, it's okay. So you can do it yourself, it's just hard work. And the colour's not perfect, but it's different material and it's 20-year-old paint, so thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for that.